In this video, we'll review the account code hierarchy. It's a new version 13 feature designed to address some common problems we've heard from our customers, such as projects are often estimated at different levels of detail, making it difficult to leverage historic benchmark data across projects, and the way accounting systems organize data is often not the best structure for estimating and managing projects. So we've created the new account code hierarchy. It provides enhanced ability to organize and leverage benchmarking data from previous projects and help maintain structural alignment with accounting and ERP systems. Let's start out by reviewing the cost breakdown structure, or CBS. The CBS hierarchy reflects the best structure for estimating the cost of our project. In this view, we see the scope items broken down into more defined activities. Once you estimated the scope item, you can benchmark or validate a scope item's cost and productivity values by comparing them to relevant historical as-built and as-estimated data captured from past jobs in HD. The CBS provides the account code field. The account code field allows the user to assign the appropriate accounting or ERP account code, which then organizes a project's costs to meet the accounting requirements. Until now, we have only been able to export our costs from HD to the accounting or ERP system. The new account code utilization register allows users to organize their costs into an account code hierarchy. So let's take a look at that new account code hierarchy in the account code utilization register. We access the account code utilization register from the CBS. From the CBS menu, simply click on View Account Code Utilization. The account code utilization register is similar to the cost breakdown structure register, except register rows represent account codes rather than cost items. The account code's parent-child hierarchy is based on the account code hierarchy separator. In this account code structure, we are using a period as a separator. The account code utilization register is used primarily for analysis, and most of the columns are read-only. The data from this register can be printed or exported to Excel. The account code utilization register is used to roll estimate line items cost and potentially quantities into the account code hierarchy. To view the utilizing cost items in the benchmarking graph, click on the account code utilization registers menu, View, Default Data Blocks. This will display the utilizing items data block and the benchmarking scatter graph. First, let's take a look at the utilizing items data block. The utilizing items data block gives you visibility into which cost items are contributing cost and potentially quantities to the account codes. When I select account code 1122.100 excavation, in the utilizing items data block, we see cost items 3.1. Its cost and quantities are contributing to the account code's cost and quantity. Now let's look at account code 9500 job overhead. In the account code utilization register, select account code 9500. We see in the utilizing items register that several cost items are assigned with account code 9500. If we look at the CBS, we see the job overhead costs are found throughout the estimate. The account code utilization register summarizes those costs into one account code line. This account code's unit of measure is in days. In this estimate, I used HD's bidirectional schedule integration with Primavera P6 to calculate the job's duration at 120 days, then manually entered the 120 into the account code's quantity field. We are now able to easily calculate our daily job overhead cost. Now, let's look at the benchmarking graph. The benchmarking graph on the right displays the account code's current value, the historical benchmark values as estimated and as built, and the average of the benchmark values. The benchmark data points are displayed graphically in relation to the average of the benchmark data points. The color bands represent the low, medium, and high percentage variance from the average point. We are now able to easily compare the estimate's daily job overhead cost against other projects. The account code hierarchy makes benchmarking possible even if historical data is captured at different detail levels across projects. The hierarchy simplifies connectivity with accounting and ERP system, which ensures consistency across project systems.